In this question, we are asked to factorize fully by grouping. So step number 1 is to group the terms in pairs. So I'm going to say equals to ax plus ay, that is my first pair. Then we have a plus sign here that we're going to keep. Then we're going to have bx plus by. And you always need to verify that this sign times that sign gives you that sign. In this case, it's fine. Positive times positive gives you a positive. So it means you split them nicely. Now let's go on. In the first bracket, we can all see that there's a highest common factor of a. And we can take that out. Remember guys, if I divide this by a, I'll be left with x. If I divide that by a, I'll be left with y. So which means in the bracket, I'm left with x plus y. Then I have a plus here. Okay, let's go on. If you check here, the highest common factor is b. And if I divide by b, I'm left with x. If I divide by b, I'm left with y. So I take my highest common factor, which is b. Then dividing gives me x plus y. Perfect. And then now we have what we call a common bracket. This bracket and that bracket are common. So we're going to factor this bracket out. And when we factor that bracket out, we are left with a plus b, ladies and gents. Do you see it? I'm left with a plus b times our factor that we factored out, which is x plus y. And then this is indeed fully factorized. But you don't need to show this part where you cancel. You can just highlight it like this to just know that you're going to take that part out as the first factor. The second factor will be a plus b. So you're going to have a plus b and x plus y. Your factorization must be neat and clean. No cancellations is necessary. All right, ladies and gents. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next session.